Welcome to you all aspirant in Kanha Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board pertaining to NCERT pattern. In the continuation of previous videos, I will draw your attention about the question number 6 of the same exercise 10.3. Here in this question, the dot product of two vector a plus b and a minus b is equal to 8. It has given, and mod of a is 8 times mod of b. Then the question is find out to vector a and b. Here we will find out the dot product of these two vector, or a into a minus b plus b into a minus b. Here this will become a into a minus ab plus ba minus bb is equal to 8. You should must know about a b is equal to b dot a, and a square is equal to mod of a square and b square mod of b square. Obviously, this is cut by this. By virtue of this, it will become a square minus b square is equal to 8. A square minus b square is equal to 8, or this is equal to mod of a square minus mod of b square is equal to 8. By substituting the value of mod of a is equal to 8 mod of b, 8 mod of b, we will substitute mod of a is equal to 8 times mod of b. This is 8 times mod of b, and this whole square minus b square is equal to 8. Here 8 8 is 64 mod of b square minus mod of b square is equal to 8. It means 64 mod of b square minus b square is equal to 63 mod of b square is equal to 8. It means mod of b square is equal to 8 upon 63, or only mod of b is equal to under root 8 upon 63. Taking under root of 8, 2 root 2, and under root 63, 2 root 2, and here 9 into 7, 9, 3 root 7, or 2 by 3 root 2 by 7. B means this. Now a, mod of a is equal to 8 times mod of b, 8 times mod of b, and you have given the value of mod b. 8 times mod of b means 2 by 3 root 2 by 7, that is 8 2 ja 16 by 3 root 2 by 7. This will be the requisite answer. The question number 7 is a very simple question. In this question, we have to evaluate the dot product of these two vectors 3a minus 5b and 2a plus 7b. That's very simple. This will be equal to 3a 2a plus 7b, and here minus 5b within the bracket 2a plus 7b. Now 3 2 ja 6 a and 3 7 ja 21 a b. Here minus 5 into 2 minus 10 b a minus 5 7 ja 35 b dot b. As I have stated you earlier, AB and BA are the same. So now this will be equal to 6a square 21 AB minus 10 AB plus 11 AB and minus 35 b square. You may write this as 6 a square plus 11 ab minus 35 b square. Well, this is the dot product of these two vectors. In question number 8, the two vectors of equal magnitude. We have to find out, we have to evaluate the two equal vectors such that their magnitude are equal. Both we have to find out the mod of A and mod of B also. The same answer, because the mod of A is equal to mod of B and the angle in between they two vectors is 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree and the scalar product of they two vectors AB equal to 1 by 2. Now we know that cos of theta is equal to dot product upon mod A mod B. The value of theta is given 60 degree. We will substitute this here, cos of 60 degree, and the scalar product of A dot B equal to 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 and mod of A mod of B. Cos 60 means 1 by 2 mod of A mod of B. 1 by 2 cancel each other, or 1 is equal to 1 by mod of A mod of B, or mod of A into mod of B is equal to 1, and since they are equal, it means mod of A square is equal to 1, or mod of A is equal to 1, hence mod of B is equal to also 1. This is the requisite answer. Thank you For watching this video, please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.